it's me, DeeDee. Look at all these bubbles. Do you love bubbles like I do? I just wish I had someone to have some bubble fun with.
Hey, DeeDee.
I hear my name. Who is it? It's Bumbling Bert! Yay! Woo! Let's have some fun, kids, with some bubbles. Yeah! So, Bumbling Bert, I see some cool stuff here. Can you show me what you have?
Of course I can. I brought a whole bunch of different sizes of bubble wands, and I think we should start small, but maybe we can get bigger and bigger.
Whoa!
You want to see a little bubble, DeeDee?
I do. Let's do it.
Here we go. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Take a big deep breath. No, DeeDee, not you. I take a big deep breath.
I'm sorry. Bumbling Bert, where's the bubble?
I don't know where it went. Wait, should we try it one more time?
I think it's a good idea.
Let's maybe take a little breath this time.
Whoa, look at all those bubbles.
Look at that, DeeDee. We got a good one, or we
Woo!
a little one. Okay.
Okay, so let's do
Should we go a little bigger?
a little bigger.
Let's go a little bigger.
Let's do it.
All right, here we go. Big deep breath. No, DeeDee, not again.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
Let me do the big deep breath.
Whoa, those are bigger. Look how cool. Oh, I almost caught it.
Maybe we can get one more if we do a little wave.
Whoa, that one's awesome. You caught it.
Oh, maybe we can get the other one. Oh. Oh.
Double whammy almost.
Let's see. Go another big one. There's a nice one. Is that a big enough bubble, DeeDee?
I think it's big, but I think I want to see a bigger one.
Should we go bigger?
Bigger. Let's do
go
it.
A little bit bigger. Here we go.
Okay.
Are you ready, DeeDee? It's gonna be a big bubble.
I'm ready. You guys ready? Let's do it.
And
Woo! Wow! I'm gonna pop this one.
Yep.
Oh!
Look at that one.
Oh!
Oh. All right, let's see. Maybe we can get another big one. Ah.
Wow! That's so cool. That's a really big one. Oh, I popped that one. Oh.
Well, DeeDee, that was a pretty big bubble. Should we try and do some tricks?
I want to see some tricks, but can I try one?
Of course you can.
Okay.
We've got a small, a medium, and a large. Which one would you like to try, DeeDee?
I want to do the big one. Yeah.
Here we
Okay.
go.
You guys ready?
Whoop.
Woo! I did a huge one. Let me
DeeDee,
catch
that's a
it.
huge bubble.
Whoa! That was cool.
That was
I
an
love
awesome
that.
one.
Pretty good.
Try and make another big one.
Yeah. Let me try. Let me go this way. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. I caught it. Oh! That was cool. Okay, let's see some other cool stuff.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Bumbling Bert,
Yes.
I was wondering, do you know how to make little bubbles inside of a big bubble?
Of course I can do that, DeeDee. Should we give it a try?
I want to see what you can do. Let me see.
All right.
Kids, how many bubbles do you think he's gonna make in a big bubble? Let's count together. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Not bad, 4. Let's try it again.
I think I can do better than that.
I think so too. Let's do it.
Try again.
Make it a good one.
Here we go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Whoa.
Wow! That was 9 in there. You did awesome. Woo! Really cool stuff. Did you kids like that? I loved it.
Should
Okay,
we try another trick?
I want to see what else you have. Show
Let's
me.
see. Let me see what I can find in here.
Let's see.
All right.
Ooh, what's
This guy,
this?
this puts smoke inside of a bubble. Should we try it?
Did you guys hear that? He's put smoke inside the bubbles. Let's see what he's got.
Let's see if we can do it.
Okay. Whoa. Look at that, kids. There's smoke inside there. Whoa. That's awesome. So he's blowing air in here, and it's making smoke inside. You see that?
Do you want to pop it, DeeDee? If you touch just the very top, it should pop.
Whoa, look at that. That's so cool. You see that smoke? That was inside the bubble. That's awesome. I love that.
All right, DeeDee, I have an idea. I want to make something for you out of a bubble, and I want to see if you can guess what I make out of the bubble. What do you think?
I can't wait. I'm so excited. Show me.
Do it. Let's see if
Let's
I can
do it.
Okay, here we go.
Come on, guys. Bubbling Bert. Bubbling Bert. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, so we got 6 bubbles inside there right now, and he's putting some smoke. Wow. I know what it is, Bubbling Bert. You made me a flower. Oh, that's so sweet of you. Thank you. I love that. Look how cool that is, kids. That's awesome. And there's smoke right inside there, and these ones are all bubbles all the way around. Awesome.
And DeeDee, you know what looks really cool?
What's
if
cool?
you pop that middle bubble.
Okay, ready, kids? Whoa, that's really cool.
Ooh.
Thank you for that.
No problem. I actually have even one more trick, but I need your help for it.
Okay, I'm excited. Let me see.
So DeeDee, this thing makes
Ooh.
lots of bubbles.
Okay.
Now, do you know how to count really, really high?
I think I might need your help, kids, but let's try together.
This one makes a lot of bubbles. We're
Okay.
gonna see. Now, DeeDee, are you ready? Here we go. I'm gonna need your hands up. You can put your hands up together like a bowl.
Like that?
Let's see if you can hold all of these bubbles. I'm gonna get a
Whoa.
crazy amount. Here we go.
Okay, here we go. Whoa! Look at all these bubbles! Woo! Wow! That's like a bazillion bubbles. Whoa!
I think so too. That's a lot of bubbles.
Wow, that's so cool, kids. Wow. I love that. Oh,
It's like a snowball.
yeah.
Like a little snowball.
Can we high five each other with this?
Definitely.
Ready? Are you ready for me? That's cool. I love that.
So DeeDee, I have a little game. Would you like to play a game?
I love games, sure.
So I brought a whole bunch of different kinds of wands, and they're all different shapes and sizes. Do you know your shapes very well?
I do.
Well, let's take a look. DeeDee,
Okay.
do you know what shape this one is?
Well, this one has no corners. It's a circle.
You're right. Now, if I make a bubble out of this circle one, do you know what shape that bubble's gonna be?
I'm guessing it's a circle.
And you're right.
Whoa.
It is a circle.
I
Or
love that.
It's a sphere. as
Or a
well.
sphere.
But I have a little game. I also brought along with me this shape. DeeDee, do you know what shape this one is?
This one has 1, 2, 3 corners and 3 sides. You're right, kids, it's a triangle.
You are right. Should we see what kind of bubble it makes?
I would love it.
Now, DeeDee, do you think the bubble's gonna be a circle? Do you think it's gonna be a triangle? Or do you think it's gonna be an ice cream cone?
An ice cream cone.
No, it's not an ice cream
No.
cone, DeeDee.
What is it?
Let's find out. It's still a circle.
Oh!
We lost them. Hold on. Let's get another one here. Oh, it's still a nice little circle. So even though, DeeDee, we had a triangle one, we still ended up with a circle.
How come?
Hold on. We have one more. If we have one more here. DeeDee, what shape is this one?
Well, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 4 sides. You're right again, it's a square.
Right. Now, if we make a bubble out of this one, do you think it's gonna be a circle, a triangle, a square, or do you think it's gonna be an ice cream cone?
An ice cream cone.
No, DeeDee, it's not an ice cream cone.
Oh,
Let's
goodness.
find out. It's still whoop. It's still a
Circle!
circle.
Whoa!
Now,
I thought it
DeeDee.
was gonna be a square, to be honest with you.
Do you know why they're always a circle?
No.
So inside of our little bubbles, when we're making a bubble like this, there's lots of air inside of that bubble. It's like a whole bunch of people trying to get their way out of their bubbles, and they're trying to push their way out, and they're pushing and pushing, and when they're pushing, there's no corners or no edges, so it always makes a circle. So no matter
Wow.
what shape we use, the bubble's always gonna be a little
Circle, that's
A
so
nice little
interesting. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
That was a fun game, DeeDee. You did a good job.
Thank you.
Nice job.
Yeah. Look what I got.
DeeDee, what are those?
These are pipe cleaners. Can we make a wand out of these?
Of course we could. Should we try and do that now?
Yeah, can you show me?
Let's do it.
Awesome. Okay, these ones are yours,
Yep.
and these ones are mine.
Fabulous.
Let's do one.
That looks good.
See? Can you see me? Can you see me? Okay. Now we're gonna dip them.
Yeah, should we try and see if we can make a bubble out of them?
Okay.
Let's see what we can do.
Let's do it together.
All right,
Let me
get
see.
it really soapy.
Okay, soapy,
Ready?
and... Oh, mine didn't work good.
Hold on.
Wow, yours is awesome.
I don't want it though.
You did really good on that one. Okay, my turn.
Nice job, DeeDee. Wow.
Wow, did you see mine?
That was awesome.
That was pretty cool. One more time. Whoa, those are big.
Wow.
Cool.
We're getting really good bubbles out of these.
Okay, ready? Watch out, I'm gonna get you.
Ah!
Yeah, that was so fun. Kids, if you want to make these at home, you just get some pipe cleaners and twist them all together, right, Bubbling Bert?
Yeah.
And then you dip them in the bubble solution and you blow bubbles. Cool.
Nice job, DeeDee.
High five. Yeah. Hey, kids, look what's here. It's a circle. Let's hop through it. Hop and hop. I did it.
No, DeeDee, you're not supposed to hop through the circle. You gotta stand in the middle of the circle.
Silly me. Let me jump back in. Hop. Now what does this do?
I'm gonna put you inside of a bubble. How does that sound?
Woo, that's so cool. Let's try it.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, kids. You see me? Oh. Learning about bubbles and doing bubble tricks with you kids. Thank you so much, Bubbling Bert, for helping me out.
Thank you so much, DeeDee, for having me today.
You're awesome.
Thank you.
Remember, kids, it's me, DeeDee, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.